tayo ngayon guys. Installation ng barn door. Ayan guys. Yan yung nakaraan guys, oh. Puta. Kita yung chan. Ayan na guys, oh. Barn door. Ayan na guys. Ayan yung actual niya guys. Barn door mirror. Mirror back to back. So guys, nakalak. Transposing niya guys, oh. Matakbo ang pusa guys. So yan guys, so may accessories natin guys, bago. Guys, yung natin charge hardware. Safety. So ito yung shower enclosure natin guys, makalat pa. Ayan guys, shower enclosure guys. Swing type guys. Ayan guys, pinapatayo ko lang silang guys. Tayo sa Nueva Vizcaya guys, sa ating hoteling client guys. Salamat. Cliente na natin ng gutso guys sa Amparo guys. Dito naman tayo sa bahay guys sa Vizcaya. Kahit putang tayo guys, niligayo natin guys. Okay guys, yung meron niya shower enclosure niya pala. Shower enclosure. Ito yung barn mirror guys. Matakbo lang ng bulsa guys. Ayan guys. DMX Pro pa dyan guys. 1.5 thickness guys. Tubular. Then SOBC na di media. So kaya naging back to back siya guys, back to back mirror guys. So ganito lang yan guys, tapos saan na ito matakbo yan. Ayan na, inaktual. Ito yung harap niya guys. Ito yung harap niya guys. Ayan. Pocket door guys, pocket door. Ayan na guys, ha. Ito yung pocket dyan guys. 868 profile. Framing, tubular 134x4. So ito yung resulta nya guys. Design to guys, ibang bansa. In-upgrade natin guys, nagiging pocket slide. Ayan guys, pocket slide yan guys, with screen. Customize guys. Ay, screen nya guys, dalawa. Ito yung door. Swabe guys. Smooth na smooth. Guys. So ayan na guys. Pocket sliding door. Swabe guys. Walang tumutunog. So ayan guys, naka-ready, naka-steady yung screen niya guys.